For this segment, I'm going to instruct you on how to find a book using the Library of Congress call number system. We will focus on 4 sections, which include availability, or status of the book, its location, the call number, and a general description of what a call number is and its function. I'm referencing a book titled Hidden Treasures. What you are currently looking at is a quick search record of the book. First, you will want to look at the status of the book that is located in this box on the right. If it says that the book is available, then it should be on the shelf. However, if it has a date, then that is when the item is due back. Or, if it says Internet, then the item is online. You just click and follow the links and you'll be able to view the book. On to the location. There are a few different places where items may be located at James Madison. There's Carrier Library, which also houses media resources, Rose Library, the Music Library, and ETMC. As you can see, this particular book is in the Rose Library. Now look at the call number. You would want to jot this down. The library collections are organized by the call numbers. Much like a street address, the call number is how you identify where an item is physically located on the shelf. Let's take a closer look at the call number for Hidden Treasures. The first portion is listed by letter, which is QB. These letters identify the general subject of the book. QB stands for astronomy. There are many different general subject headings. For each of these general headings, there are subclasses beneath them that are arranged alphabetically. For instance, Q stands for General Science. Here's a list of the Q subclasses arranged alphabetically in the order that you would locate them on the shelf. The second portion is the specific subject. This is listed as a number and is arranged by whole number. These numbers may include decimal extensions like this one, which is 65.7. So, QB 65.7 would come between QB 65 and QB 66. The rest of the call number may vary greatly from title to title. There are numerous extensions that may be present, and you should read each digit individually. In the current call number, .043 is an extension that gives the book a unique identifier. It should be read .043, not .043. Take for example .0387. It actually comes before .043 on the shelf because when moving through the digits, 3 comes before 4. 2007 is another form of extension that lists the year that the book was published. Another example is C2, which indicates a second copy. Or V3, which is a volume number. Both of these are arranged in numerical order. Though it may seem complicated, just move slowly through the call number line by line. If you get stuck, then library staff will gladly help you. Back on the quick search result page, we can see that Hidden Treasures is in the Rose Library. But to know exactly where Q call numbers are, you would select the library location map. From this, we can see that Qs are located on the 3rd floor of the Rose Library. Once on the 3rd floor, you will see stacks like these. Where you'll need to look is on the end of each stack row. There will be a call number range listed for what's on each shelf. I recommend starting at the beginning of the call number to find your book. Here's the beginning of the Qs. Now bear with me and pretend we are walking along in the stacks. These 2 stacks show how the call numbers progress. Q leads into QA, which is a large section. So skipping forward a little further, we get to the end of the QAs and into the QBs. Looking one stack further for clarification, we can see that this is the section where Hidden Treasures should be. Here's the shelf for Hidden Treasures. And if you read across the call numbers, you should come across what you're looking for. This whole process may seem daunting at first. However, when you get the hang of it, locating specific books for research is a lot easier than casually walking over to the science section in the bookstore and scanning every title until you find what you need. And remember, the staff is always ready to help you out if you're having trouble.